Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use green screen on TikTok with multiple photos. So let's start it. You want to go ahead and log in your TikTok account. Then click on plus sign right here. So you have 3 minutes, 60 seconds and 15 seconds. Go ahead and select 60 seconds. After that, click on the effect to add green screen. You have 5 backgrounds above to choose from here. If you don't want to add the background, just go ahead and click on plus sign. Go and select this here. If you want to use your index and thumb together, join your index and thumb together and position your picture here. Once you satisfy, go ahead and click on the record button. You want to say whatever you want to say for your presentation. Once you satisfy, click on the stop button. To add another, go ahead and click on the facts and then click on the plus sign again. Again, select the photo and position it as you want. Once you satisfy, tap on the record button. You want to say whatever you want to say for your presentation. Once you get satisfied, tap on record button to stop it. Once you satisfy, preview your video. Then tap on next and tap on post. So this was a process by which you can add green screen on TikTok with multiple photos. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.